Welcome to Life, Death, and the Law, presented by the law firm of Deason, Garner, and Hansen, hosted by attorneys Shawn Garner and Adam Hansen.
It's very humbling. Anything that they ask, they're right? If they tell you that their Coke that's full of ice is not cold enough, it's not cold enough.
They're right.
And so you're working your tail off to do that, and you're constantly on your feet, and you're really looking for the tables that you've been assigned to be full. You don't want to be sitting in the back waiting in the kitchen for someone to arrive in your section. You want to be working your tail off because it's the tips that really make your wage. It's not the hourly rate that make it. And so I think it promotes that hunger to get out there and actually do the work.
Absolutely. And as a customer at a restaurant, when you get a good server, you cannot tip that guy or girl enough.
Yeah.
Whatever you just, I don't know, they make your experience. And if it's a great experience, you don't have enough money in your wallet to tip them for that, because they deserve it.
Right.
Because not only are they taking care of you, and you'll answer this question better because I've never done it, but I got no idea how many tables a waiter's taking care of at any given time. But he's got, what, 5 or 10 guys?
It was 5 for us at Outback Steakhouse, and of course, depending on the restaurant and the type of food that they serve and how many courses, I'm sure it's different in every situation.
Right. So it really, not only you got to take care of me, you got 4 other tables that are, and I'm pretty easy to get along, but you put it out there, I'm going to eat it or drink it. It's good.
So is the customer always right?
The customer's always right.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Have you experienced that? I mean, you think our culture's changed a little bit if I go to Tractor Supply and I'm going through that aisle, or Cal Ranch or Sears?
I
there
think
Sears
so.
anymore?
I think so. I mean, I think you see certain companies that are starting to realize that, customer service, I think, kind of slipped away for a while.
Yeah.
And that's really, at the end of the day, the only thing that makes your company any difference to people.
I think, with Sears and Kmart, they probably thought they were too big to fail. They thought that they could put out whatever they wanted and treat you however they wanted, shine the floors, not shine the floors, replace the lights or not, and it didn't matter. And they found out the hard way it does matter.
Right. If you have questions or want to know more about something that was discussed today, please call the law firm of Deason, Garner, and Hansen at 928-783-4575 or visit yumaestateplanning.com.